Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add multiple Google Chrome shortcut to desktop. So in order to do this, first of all, install Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Then open the application and it will show up this page. Now if you don't see this page, you're going to see the Google home page that will look something like this. Now here what you're going to do is simply click on your profile icon at the top right. So I will show you that I just have one Google Chrome shortcut at my desktop. I will simply navigate to Google Chrome, click on my profile icon at the top right. Now, click on Add New Profile button. Now, you can sign in and log into another account on Google Chrome. If you don't want to do this, simply continue without an account by clicking on this button. Now, choose a name for the next shortcut or this account. I will name this shortcut 2. Now, I'll click on Done. After you click on Done, you will see another Google page opening up. Here, you're going to click on your profile icon. Then click on Manage Chrome Profiles. Now, all the Chrome profiles that you will have will appear on this screen. Here what you're going to do is simply choose any one of these profiles that you want to make the shortcuts with. Then click on the three-dotted icon at the top right, choose Edit. Now on this page, scroll down at the bottom. You can choose an avatar if you want to and simply turn this button on that says Create Desktop Shortcut. Create a desktop shortcut on your device to access directly to this exact profile. Now, after you turn this on and go back to your screen, you will see that you have two Google accounts. You can again create another one just by opening Google Chrome. Click on this three-dotted icon, click on Edit, scrolling down, turning this button on that is Create Desktop Shortcut, and that will make another one. So that is the simple way through which you can add multiple Google Chrome's shortcuts to desktop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.